Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play F123 online. We will cover the essential steps to get you onto the track and competing against other drivers from around the world. Whether you are looking for a quick race or a more structured league, F123 provides several options. Get ready to experience the thrill of Formula One racing with up to 21 opponents in real time. Before hitting the virtual tarmac, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A minimum of 10 megabits per second download speed is recommended for optimal performance. Also, verify your game is fully updated to the newest version. Remember, console players will need an active subscription to their platform's online service, such as PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass, to access multiplayer features. Once your setup is complete, head to the multiplayer section within F1 World. Here, you can select Social Play for casual races or Ranked for a more competitive experience that impacts your driver rating. You have the flexibility to join an open lobby with up to 21 other racers or create a private session to race exclusively with your friends. To ensure a positive experience for everyone, always practice clean racing. Avoiding collisions benefits all participants. Many online races feature a penalty system, so driving fairly is key. You can use in-game communication, like quick chat messages, to interact respectfully. For a more organized challenge, explore joining one of the many community-run online leagues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.